How to change email on Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can change your email address on Shein app. So in order to change your email address on Shein app, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, you have to go ahead and log in into your Shein application. So make sure that you're connected to an internet service as well. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner, and while you're on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the gear icon. And as you click on the gear icon, you need to go to manage my accounts, and here you can see there is this option as email. So tap on it, and here you can either change your email address or you can verify it. So to change your email address, just tap on the change button, enter in the verification code that's going to be sent to the following email address or the current email address, and then you can just go ahead and change your email address. In this way, you can change your email address on Shein app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.